Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a weekend at the farm vlog. We're going to go see the donkeys. I can't wait to meet them.
Look at all, and then
It's so pretty, guys. Look at this is the view. Guys, we're trying to find the donkeys right now. And yeah, we have no idea where they are. So look who we just found. Look at the donkeys. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. This one's name is Minnie. This one's name is Pluto. And then this one's name is Donald. Like the Mickey Mouse characters. Bye bye donkeys, bye bye, bye bye.
And then we'll go for a swim because
guys, A knows how to drive, so she's gonna go and drive us. So yeah, I'm really stressed I'm gonna die, but it's fine.
You're not gonna die.
I trust
I'm a
you.
good driver.
I think it'll be fine.
It's fine. We'll soon see.
Guys, we just got in the car. Is this a car or a truck?
It's called a mule, but you can just call it the car.
It's like a little buggy.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, we're moving, we're moving! I'm alive. We did it. That was actually so much fun. Guys, we're about to go in the pool. Guys, we're saving ladybugs' lives right now. They're like stuck in the pool. Okay guys, so we're out of the pool and we're now going to play pool. So yeah.
Okay, get the balls out. Okay. Okay, your turn. Take it. Go again.
Guys, look how close my ball is to going in right now. Update guys, we finished playing pool. Now just gonna sit in the pool. But like, not like actually go in the pool. Guys, we're watching The Grinch now. And I've never actually watched The Grinch. Guys, we're playing pool right now. We just had breakfast. And yeah, I was so close. I won last round, so that was really good. And then hopefully I can win again this round. How cute are they? Hello, donkeys. Guys, so we're putting the leads on the donkeys and we're going to feed them and like brush them and everything. But look, there's like a storm coming. Do you see how like dark that all is? And we're really worried that there's going to be a storm. Guys, it started hailing! Okay, can we go up? It's full on hailing! Okay guys, the hail stopped. It's still like slightly raining, but like the hail has stopped and it literally came so quickly and now it's gone so quickly. Off with the animals and stuff and yeah.
I didn't go inside like something.
I ran and hid for shelter under there. It's literally in like 3 seconds. I showed you like the view before and look, it's now all perfect. Like all the like stormy clouds have cleared. Aww. Guys, I'm about to learn how to drive. I'm so excited. So this is what I'm gonna drive in.
Okay, you can go slowly. Yeah, turn slowly. Okay, good job. Good girl. Lightly press. Right, straighten up the wheel. Focus on the wheel. Start going left. So keep spinning the wheel, fast. Just yep, like that. Straighten up. Go right. Straighten up. Yep, that's straight.
I'm so happy right now.
She's actually pretty good.
Hey guys, good morning. So next day, we slept in for so long. We slept until like 12. Some of our lunch now. We just arrived at the little place we're gonna have it at. Guys, my food just arrived, and then look how pretty the view is. Guys, so right now we're filling up this thingo with a whole bunch of sticks, and then we're gonna have a campfire tonight and roast a whole bunch of marshmallows. So that's gonna be really fun. Guys, we're roasting some marshmallows. Guys, we're having some more marshmallows. Yeah. There's Hugo. Hi, Hugo. Guys, we're doing sparklers. Good morning, guys. It is unfortunately day 4, so that's the last day. We go find the donkeys. We woke up, we had breakfast and everything. And yeah, so we found the donkeys. Guys, we're in the mule right now and we're going to go drive down to the vines. There, all their vineyards. They're so beautiful. Guys, I just drove the car. I was just so close to winning. I had all my balls out. I just had to get the black ball. Get both her balls in and then the black ball in, and now I'm sad. Because right now we're watching Men in Black 2. Guys, we're now going to go in the pool. Here you go. We're going in the pool, guys. Officially leaving. I'm so sad right now. I've had such a good time. It's so nice here. I love it so much. And yeah, this is pretty much like going to be the end of the vlog, I think. So yeah, thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you guys enjoyed. Go subscribe and consider a big thumbs up.